In this video, I'm going to be answering your question on why is Fairmoney not giving me loan. So let's say you want to borrow money from Fairmoney, and then you have created the app. Maybe you already submitted all the requirements, which are your BVN, your ID card, and Face ID, and they're still not giving you a loan. And if you haven't connected that and you're having this issue, I'll advise you to connect your BVN to it, your ID card and Face ID verification. Then you can apply again, and I'm very sure you'll be able to get a loan from the platform. But then if you have connected all these things and you're still not able to get money, then that means you have borrowed money somewhere else, because all this app works together. They know that you are borrowing money from another platform, which of course you might have not paid back. If you don't pay back the loan, they won't borrow you another one, because you'll be like a bad customer to them. Let's say, for example, you borrow or you buy a good from someone and you didn't pay back, another person also buy, they didn't pay back, the business will not grow again. Do you understand? The business will not grow, and the business might even liquidate. So, and the business will just collapse just like that. But if you buy goods and you pay back, another person also buy, they pay back, the business will keep on growing. That is how it works. So they already know that you borrow money from someone and you still expecting them to borrow you again, which of course you haven't paid back the first person you borrow money from. So they won't borrow you money. But if that's not the case, maybe you haven't borrowed money from anybody, the most case that used to happen is that you did not connected or connect all the requirements they requested from you before you apply for the loan. So with that being said, once you connect all these features, you'll be able to qualify to get a loan from the platform.